So guys, अगला जो अपडेट है दैट इज रिगार्डिंग हाउ टू परचेज अ क्रिप्टो करेंसी दैट इज कार्डानो इन 24. सो जिन लोगों को नहीं पता, कार्डानो का जो टिकर है दैट इज ADA एंड राइट नाउ द रैंक ऑफ दिस करेंसी इज 9th एंड इसका जो प्राइस चल रहा है फॉर वन कॉइन दैट इज इक्वल टू $0.57. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्रिप्टो करेंसी दैट इज अवेलेबल ऑन coingecko.com, you can check out that it is available on various leading platforms such as MEXC, Hotcoin Global, Hitbit, Binance and so on. You can sign up on these exchanges to purchase and sell cryptocurrencies such as Cardano. सो पहला जो पॉइंट है आर्टिकल का दैट इज द बेस्ट एक्सचेंजेस अवेलेबल इन 24 टू परचेज एंड सेल क्रिप्टो करेंसी सच एज कार्डानो. फर्स्ट इज क्रैकन, सेकंड इज कॉइनबेस, थर्ड इज बाइनेंस, फोर्थ इज eToro and Bitstamp. You can click on this particular link and go to the website to purchase those cryptocurrencies. So these are the leading platforms and these are the leading cryptocurrency exchanges to purchase and sell and trade and hold cryptocurrencies, which have good number of listing available on the platform. So on this article, you can see various table of content such as best Cardano exchanges, reviews of the top Cardano exchanges, choose the best platform, register an account, set up a payment method, deposit funds, buy Cardano, move coins to your e-wallet, over to you, and everything is available. And at the end of the article, you can see the FAQ section as well. So this is the article update by ccn.com. You can check out how to purchase Cardano on this website that is on ccn.com. And this article was published by Justin Murphy. You can check out this article in detail. You can read it out. I'll provide the official link of this article in the description box.